Alright, so you can see here on my screen that this guy here is basically making money online just by reading emails. And me myself, I was able to make close to $400 doing the same thing he did, but in my own way. So you get to see for yourself that this is a brand new way for anyone from anywhere in the world with any kind of device get used to start making money online just by reading emails. Yes, you had me right, bro. That's super unbelievable, right? And how all those things work, I'll get to explain in a bit. But here you can see on my dashboard that me myself, I'm also testifying of this method. And we have countless of people who are also cashing out daily from this website doing the simple task of reading emails online. So in this video, I put together all the steps and simple strategies from various methods being taught here on YouTube so that I can have a proof that this works, and I can come over to my YouTube channel and share it with my subscribers. So if you want to see more videos like this, or if you're happy with this kind of video, please make sure you smash the like button in appreciation. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is A.A. Charles, and what I do on this channel is to talk about various ways on how to make money online through email marketing, and also how to get started with email marketing. So if you want to see more content related to this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So enough of all of that, let's get into it. Now, first and foremost, what you want to do is you want to come over to the site called volotic.com, and this is what the website that will start paying us daily reading emails simply looks like. So please make sure you have a similar website being displayed on your device so that you get to know that you are working with the right site. Now, I know many of you would actually want to click off this video right away, but I'm sorry if you do that. And the reason is because this person here is making less than $20 just by reading emails. But you can see here that I myself, I was able to make close to $100. And I'm very, very sure you want to see what I did to get this amount of money being paid just by reading emails. So once you are here on this site, you want to create your account, which is by clicking on register. You're brought over to the sign up page where you need to input your correct user details, which is your username, email address, your password, and you want to input your password again. And then you can see the place where it says referral. You can just put in my referral code, but it is optional. So if you don't want to, you might not want to use it. Now, once you've been able to do that, all right, what you want to do next is you just want to make sure you check mark the empty boxes below so as to successfully create your account without any issues. So creating your account on this website is very easy and very simple. Put in your username, your password, your email address, and you would have your account created. So if you did what I just shared with you, you should already have your account created successfully. So please make sure you go check up your email inbox. Yes, you can see here this one here, which is the very first email you receive from this website. You want to make sure you start it, okay? You want to make sure that the email address being sent to you, the first email address being sent to you from Volotic, is being starred and not save it to your contact. So yeah, it is asking us to save this exact email address to our contact. All right, for me, I don't recommend that because we want to make money online from this website doesn't mean that we can trust it as a contact on our Gmail account. So I'm trying to make sure that I am safe on all of this website that I am making use of, and that is why I prefer starring it. And the reason why you want to star it is so that whenever you get new jobs, you will get updated directly via your email. So starring it would allow you to receive future update from this email address, which means that we can be notified through our email when there is a new job available for us to do. So please make sure you adhere to what I just said. For you, it can be different, right? You might want to see it up as a contact, but for me, I don't literally recommend that because you can get to trust all this website. So what we want to do right now is we want to go in our first dollar. So you want to come back to the Volotic site and you want to log into your newly created account. So you can see here that we have $0 on everything here, but don't worry, we shall see a good turnaround. So once your account is created successfully, within the space of 5 minutes, you should receive your first email. All right, so that would make you your first earning on the site. And so what we're going to do is we want to open up the email and we want to read this email. It's a very simple thing to do. All you need to do is to just click on the email that's sent to you, and once you click on the email and you read everything being displayed here, you want to go back to your dashboard. You're going to be seeing that the money has been dropped. Alright, so you can see for yourself that successfully, once we complete the task, you can see that our money is being dropped into our account. So once you keep on receiving emails like this, once you open them up, you read them up, you go over to your dashboard to check your dashboard, you're going to be finding that the money has been dropped there. So now I know many of you will be like, wow, just like this, that is how I make money. But wait, let me get to explain how everything works so that you yourself, you'll get to think, well, okay, if this is real or this is fake. Right, so this site, called the Volotic site that pays anyone to read emails, simply gets email displayed by top brands. So big brands like Nike, Google, top brands you can think of come over to Volitic, okay, and they pay them to allow Volitic display ads that people can read, and once people read, they make money, right? So what you want to do is Volitic is going to be paying you money to do those tasks. So Volitic would get the ads from those top brands, and you would come in because you want to make money, right? So you're going to be opening up those emails, you're going to be reading them, and once you are doing that, Volitic is going to be paying you a commission based on how many tags you were able to do. So based on the tags you're able to do, you are being paid by the Volitic site. So it's very, very simple and very easy thing to comprehend. Open up the ads, you read the emails, and you make money for yourself. Easy. And now there is something else that I want you to know, okay? So once you want to start earning on Volitic, you can see that I just explained how it works, okay? So you should know that earning on this platform is basically different based on your location. All right, so the main reason why I was able to earn more than this person is because number one, our location varies, right? That is just number one. I'm going to show you the second thing that I did and I was able to increase my earning, right? The first thing is that our location varies, and it's something I've tried out. I realized that people who are from top world countries basically earn way more higher than me, than who's in third world countries. So you want to make sure that you have this clear understanding that you might not be able to make money like me, or you might be able to make more than me. Why? Because our location varies. So for every ads, for every emails that you're reading, the location varies, okay? So people from the top world countries will be receiving high payout compared to people living in the third world country and the fourth world country. So wherever you find yourself, you want to make sure that you understand the clarity here that the payout system that you'll be receiving, the earnings you'll be receiving is going to be very, very different from somebody who is from another location. So different location here means different payouts. So you can see that after hours of waiting and waiting, quite a number of emails here I received, and that was how my money was increased. So after hours of waiting, you're going to be waiting hours from hours, right? Because they are going to be updating you. So as soon as they get those jobs to do, they update you for your email. And that is why I asked you to start the email from the very onset. Why? So that once that email start coming in, your Google account would get to receive those emails and you'll be notified. You will do the job there and you are going to be paid for the job that you are doing. Now let's take a look at this. We got so many people here who are daily earning from the site, and you can see their testimonies here. So if this is enough proof that this website pays to your bank, honestly, I can't see, because me myself, I haven't withdrawn yet. And the reason is because I don't have a payer account here, so they get basically pay you by payout and by faucet. So those are the two methods of you receiving your one. So for me, I haven't been able to create my payer account. Maybe I will very soon, but for now I haven't been able to create that. And I realized that that is the two methods that this site offers to basically pay your money into. They pay you by faucet, which is a kind of a crypto wallet, and they also pay you by payout. So if you have a payer account, this can be an opportunity for you to start making money online just by reading emails. And for those of you who don't have a payer account, you might want to create your payer account so as to withdraw your money directly into your payer account. So that's all we have for you guys in today's video. So please make sure you check out this other video here where I get to show you how to make money through emails, right? So if you want to see all my content on email marketing and how to make money through emails and all of those things, right, you want to make sure you subscribe. Okay, smash the like button of this video. Watch this other video here that shows you how to make money through email marketing, sending emails, and you're making real money for yourself. And I'll see you in that video. Take care of yourself and bye.